Hey everybody, so today we're going to take a quick look at one of the, I guess, adjustments or new updates we've added to our form builder. There's actually a couple of updates and I'm going to go through them now. So the first thing that we've done is giving you the ability to, let's take a look at this, the feedback test form. So I'm going to look at this by editing it. Hit the edit button here. Now all this stuff is normal, but you'll see up at the top now is a header image. We've made the forms really pretty, first of all. So that's, I'll show you what that looks like in a second, but you have the ability to add a header image now, okay, to the top of the form. And when you scroll all the way down here, you've got two options on the display type. Link to sign up or at login. So what it means, what these mean, when you click link to sign up, on the sign up screen, you'll see this form name at the bottom. So let's say you have a waiver or how-to instructions or anything like that, you could click this link and it would link that form on the sign-up screen, right? The other option is at login. So when you're, sorry, this is what at the login button here. But this is for the sign-up screen when you're actually creating a new account. This will be on the sign-up screen, and once you've created the new account, the form will pop up. So let's just show you what that looks like inside of the apps. So I made a revision. I'm not going to use that form. I'm going to use the contact us form, and I'm going to show you what that is because it's already set up here for me. So like I said, we've got the when you click on the one of these links at the bottom here, this will happen. Okay, so once you clicked on it and hit submit, you'll have the ability to turn it off as well. If you don't want it anymore, you can just turn it off. Okay, but so now I'm going to click it to the sign up, and what that means again is once you sign up, register a new user, you'll get this form in the to pop up right away, and then the user is forced to complete that form and then move into the app. So let's take a look at that in the app. All right, so I'm opening up the app here, and you see down here we've got the register link. So when I click on register, this form pops up. Again, you know that these fields are manageable. So let's create a new user account. Okay. Alright, phone number 416-555-1212, password 1234, 1234. The other thing you'll notice at the bottom here is we've enabled tags. This is another feature that's also connected to the sign up. Tags can now be connected to info tabs, and I'll get into that in a separate video, but I'm just going to select one tag here, a couple of tags here, for example, and I'm going to click the register button and now see what happens. When I click register, enter a valid email address. Sorry, my bad. Okay. Passwords don't match. I think it'll let me in. Okay, so it's been fixed. So now you can see I've registered my name. My name's automatically pulled from the information that I entered earlier. So is my email, and now any other information that you wanted on this form you can get. Phone number. Okay, I'm going to link that form as well. And then message whatever you want to ask. Test. So there you go. So now once I've clicked this form, confirm my submission, and now I will be allowed to go into the app. Without that, I won't be allowed to go into the app. So let's look at the other option. I'm going to log out and create a new account. I'm going to change the setting on the contact us form to link at login. Okay, so submit that. All right, so I'm going to hard close the app and I will reopen the app. Okay, that's the feature. Sorry, I clicked the wrong button. I am over 21. Okay, so now you can see the link here for the contact us form. Okay, so this is something if, let's say you have a how to use your app or whatever, you can put a form like that down here or whatever. So this is now not on the register link, but on the sign up page. All right, so if I click on the contact us, it'll open up that form, which I'm going to do now. And just keep in mind, this is not a mandatory signing. Okay, so you can see I've opened up the form here. Once I've clicked on it, I can fill it out if I want, or I can go back to the sign up screen and just enter the app. When you do it this way, the form is not mandatory. You don't have to click it. It's just there that someone can click it if they want. And whatever this whatever link is here will be shown from whatever your name is here. So this contact us is what's showing in the app. Okay, so that's a quick look at this latest feature. As usual, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you.